What's going on, everyone, and welcome to the channel. I hope you're all doing good. I know most of us are stuck at home, bored, cannot travel, cannot go anywhere, right? But let me help you on that, alright? So today, let me bring you to Asia's gem, the Maldives. Hold on. I know most of you are thinking that, what? Maldives is just for honeymooners. Well, let me change that thought. And guys, we just want to let you know that Maldives has a special place in our heart because we had a wedding ceremony in Maldives and everyone had a great experience. This is the time I'll show you our hotel, and by far this is the most luxury hotel we've ever been, and it's located in the most southern atoll in Maldives, which is the Shangri-La. And by the time we reached the hotel, we got a certificate that we crossed the Earth's equator. Can you believe that? Anyway guys, let's jump into the video and check out some of our amazing water activity. Let's go. Oh, hold on guys, please bear with us because most of these clips is shot on my GoPro Hero 4. Anyways, enjoy the video. Let's jump in. Woo!
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
The boat is coming! Yeah, nice, right? Now you have an idea what water adventure you can do in Maldives. And now it's time for our breakfast and check out our stunning view. Our breakfast view for today. Hey, I'm here. I missed that breakfast. Now, let me show you the villa where we stay. And now I'll show you what's inside the villa. Let's go. Our coach here, very cozy. And of course, Gili Resort, Shangri-La, Maldives, water. Come here, I'll show you our minibar. And more water. And our minibar here.
Patron, si, señor.
Here is our coffee maker and espresso. And now here's our coffee types. We drink the other two because we need to be awake, so we took strength 10, strength 8, okay? And now using our mini bar, You know, I'll show you what's amazing on this villa. Check this out. This is just our washroom. Okay, first our closet. So you get 2 robes. And I'll show you our shower. Here you go. Why don't you show the holy room? Because you need to be holy in here. And here's our bathtub. Like, yeah, it's so big. I like it so much. And they provide also some sea salt. And of course, after you go to the beach, you'll be sunburned. But they have also the after sun. It's amazing, right? Shower that I like all the time is here. The outdoor shower. Cool. Hot or cold? Nice. And also again, you get the shampoo, the conditioner. I'm gonna show you one more amazing thing here. Okay? Daban? Like after you sleep, it's sunny, right? So if you want to avoid that, you have to press these things. 2 and down. There you go. You can do this. Like, yeah. Okay. So here's how the room looks like at night. Anyway, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you can experience what I'm experiencing right now. It's all amazing. Ciao. That's all for today's vlog, home quarantine edition. And I hope you enjoyed that video. And always remember that life is a beautiful ride. So explore, meet, and eat. See you on the next vlog.